Hey there, data enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of Informatica PowerCenter. It's like the ultimate data wrangler. Imagine this, your business has data scattered everywhere. Different databases, different formats, it's a mess. PowerCenter comes in like a superhero, gathers all that data, cleans it up and puts it exactly where you need it. Think of it like building a custom car. PowerCenter gives you the tools and parts. You get to decide how to build your data pipeline. You can extract data from anywhere, transform it into any shape, and load it into any system. It's powerful stuff. Why is this important? Because in today's data-driven world, information is king. PowerCenter helps you make sense of all that data so you can make smarter decisions and crush your business goals. Now, let's break down how PowerCenter actually works. At the heart of Informatica PowerCenter lies the ETL process. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, Load. It's like a recipe for data integration. First, we have extract. This is where we grab data from different sources. It could be databases, flat files, cloud applications, you name it. PowerCenter has connectors for almost everything. Next up, transform. This is where the magic happens. We will clean, filter, join, and shape the data into the format we need. Finally, load. We deliver the transformed data to its final destination. This could be a data warehouse, a data lake, or any other system. ETL is like a data assembly line. Raw materials come in, get processed, and then we ship out the finished product. And PowerCenter is our trusty factory, making sure everything runs smoothly. Let's pop the hood and look at the engine that drives Informatica PowerCenter. Don't worry, we won't get too technical. Repository Manager. This is the control center. It stores all the metadata about our data integration processes. Think of it as the blueprints for our data factory. Designer, this is where we design and develop our ETL mappings, which are like the instructions for our data transformations. Workflow Manager, this is the choreographer. It defines the order in which our mappings run and manages the entire workflow. Workflow Monitor. This is our dashboard. It lets us monitor the progress of our workflows and troubleshoot any issues that might arise. These components work together seamlessly, allowing us to build, manage, and monitor our data integration processes with ease. It's like a well-oiled machine transforming data into valuable insights. Now, let's talk about sessions. In Informatica, a session is like a single run of our data integration process. It's when the rubber meets the road. When we start a session, Informatica reads the instructions from our mapping, connects to the source and target systems, and starts moving data according to the defined transformations. We can configure sessions to run on different schedules, handle errors, and log details about the data movement process. Think of it like setting the GPS coordinates for your data's journey. Sessions are the workhorses of Informatica PowerCenter. They execute our data integration logic and ensure that data is delivered accurately and efficiently. It's like having a fleet of delivery trucks, each with a specific route and cargo to deliver. Section 5, Mapping Parameters versus Mapping Variables, a tale of two inputs. Now, let's talk about inputs. In Informatica, we can use mapping parameters and mapping variables to make our data integration processes more flexible and dynamic. Think of mapping parameters like settings you can adjust before you start a race. For example, you might want to change the source file or the number of rows to process. We define these parameters once and can change their values without modifying the actual mapping logic. Mapping variables, on the other hand, are like gauges on a dashboard. They track values that change during the data integration process, like the number of records processed or the number of errors encountered. Both mapping parameters and variables are incredibly useful tools. Parameters give us flexibility, while variables provide valuable insights into the execution of our mappings. They're like the wrenches and screwdrivers in our data toolkit. Section 6. Lookup, transformation, your data's best friend. One of the most powerful transformations in Informatica is the lookup transformation. It's like having a detective on your team, helping you find the right information. Imagine you have a list of customer orders. You want to enrich this data with customer details like address and phone number. The lookup transformation lets you look up this information in a reference table like a customer database. This is super useful for data cleansing and enrichment. You can use it to validate data, replace missing values, and ensure data consistency. The Lookup transformation is a fundamental tool in any data integration project. It helps us create a single unified view of our data by connecting the dots between different sources. Section 7, Aggregator transformation, summarizing the data landscape. The Aggregator transformation is another gem in the Informatica PowerCenter treasure chest. It helps us summarize data, providing a bird's-eye view of our information. Imagine you have a massive data set of sales transactions. You want to calculate total sales by region or product category. The Aggregator transformation makes this a breeze. It lets us perform calculations like sum, average, count, minimum and maximum on groups of data. This is essential for reporting, analysis and decision-making. The Aggregator transformation is like a powerful calculator, crunching numbers and providing us with meaningful insights from large datasets. It helps us see the forest for the trees in our data. Section 8, Expression transformation, the data manipulation magician. The expression transformation is the Swiss Army knife of Informatica PowerCenter. It lets us perform complex data manipulations with ease. It's like having a magic wand for your data. We can use it to perform calculations, concatenate strings, manipulate dates, and much more. It's incredibly versatile and allows us to customize our data transformations to meet specific business requirements. For example, we can use the expression transformation to calculate discounts, format phone numbers, or extract specific parts of a string. The possibilities are endless. The expression transformation is a must-have tool for any Informatica developer. It gives us the power and flexibility to manipulate data in countless ways, making it an indispensable part of our data integration toolkit. Section 9, Error handling in Informatica, preventing data disasters. In the world of data integration, things don't always go according to plan. That's why Informatica PowerCenter provides robust error handling mechanisms. We can define error handling rules at various levels, from individual transformations to the entire workflow. This allows us to catch errors early on, prevent data corruption, and ensure the integrity of our data pipelines. Informatica also provides detailed error logging, which helps us troubleshoot issues quickly and efficiently. Think of it like having a safety net under your data, catching any errors before they become bigger problems. Error handling is essential for building reliable and robust data integration processes. Informatica PowerCenter provides the tools and features we need to handle errors gracefully and maintain data quality. Section 10, Performance tuning tips, speeding up your data pipelines. Performance is key in the world of data integration. We want our data pipelines to run quickly and efficiently. Informatica PowerCenter offers a range of performance tuning techniques. We can optimize our mappings by using the right transformations, configuring our sessions properly, and leveraging the power of parallel processing. It's like fine-tuning a race car to get the best performance out of it. Informatica also provides performance monitoring tools that help us identify bottlenecks and optimize our data integration processes for optimal speed and efficiency. By applying these performance tuning techniques, we can ensure that our data pipelines are running at peak performance. This translates into faster insights, quicker decision-making, and a more agile business.